Hi, good morning. Excuse me. Um, it's early. It's 8:30. Just woke up, made some coffee, and when I came to the kitchen, I found this. You can see all of our magnets. All of our magnets here fell off the refrigerator. This has happened before, but only once. And I think it was just a couple things. I don't remember it all being on the floor like this. So, yeah, anyway, I thought I would just take a moment to show you this stuff. Show you that it still holds magnets, of course. I don't know why it wouldn't, or what happens in the middle of the night that would make one's refrigerator lose magnetism, but that's what it does here. Anyway, apparently, it's kind of frustrating. I'm in a bad mood. It's a letter Dina wrote. Anyway, not a whole lot has happened. I did get some video, which I'll share with you at some point, but really, what I'm trying to get is the faucet. The faucet keeps going on, and what else? I really think that's about it. The faucet keeps going on. Oh yeah, and that whole idea of capturing that feeling. And I was thinking the other day, that feeling is exactly like when an elevator starts going down. You know, you kind of get, or like a roller coaster. That's exactly what the feeling is like. It's exactly like that. I don't know how else to explain it. But anyway. I can hear the faucet. I can hear the faucet upstairs right now. I can hear the faucet upstairs right now, and we're going up there. That faucet is on. I can hear it. I can hear it. I can hear it. I know it's on. There it is. The faucet is running. Unbelievable. 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 I can't believe. Whatever. Get back to this project. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I cannot believe I have to do this all over again. I can't believe I have to do this all over again. Can't believe I have to do this all over again. Alright, well, now I've calmed down a little bit. You can see everything fell back off the refrigerator. I know it's magnetic. Who knows? Who knows?